Do you ever feel like your energy gets drained by life, by other people, stress at work, social media, emotional overwhelm, or just the constant pressure to keep performing? You're not imagining it, and it's not just in your head. Our energy isn't only physical, it's emotional and mental as well. And psychology shows that when we ignore how our mind and nerve system actually work, we can end up feeling exhausted, depleted, or reactive far more often than we want to be. But the good news is this: your energy and your mental health can be protected, not through willpower, but through understanding how your brain really functions. I'm Renata Karlinskaite, psychotherapist and hypnotherapist, and I help people reprogram their mind for healthy self-worth and emotional resilience from the inside out. And today, I want to share science-based, easy to understand ways to protect your energy and mental health in everyday life so you can stay present and grounded without feeling constantly drained. And as we go through this, I will also share free guided self-esteem audio you can download, especially if you have been feeling overwhelmed by negativity, comparison, or self-criticism. You will find the link in the description below. To understand how to protect your energy, it helps to understand why it drains so easily in the first place. Our energy isn't just affected by what we do physically, but by what we experience emotionally. Neuroscience shows that the brain's threat system activates not only in response to danger, but also in response to criticism, rejection, uncertainty, social stress, and overload. When that system is active, the body releases stress hormones like cortisol. Over time, if this happens too often, you may feel tired, irritable, emotionally flat, or burnt out. So, it's not just about being busy, it's about how your nerve system interprets your environment. Some of the most common drains on energy include constant self-criticism, people-pleasing, and weak boundaries, absorbing other people's negativity, social comparison, especially online, and trying to keep up with unrealistic expectations. Psychology shows that it's not stress itself that drains us most. It's the meaning we attach to it and how our nerve system responds. That's why two people can experience the same situation and feel very differently afterwards. Protecting your energy starts with boundaries, and not just external ones. In psychology, boundaries are internal as well. They help your mind decide what deserves your attention and what doesn't. They help you recognize what you are responsible for and what you are not responsible for, what you can influence and what is outside your control. When you constantly try to manage what isn't yours to carry, your energy gets depleted. A simple place to begin is noticing where your energy drops. Are there people, conversations, or situations that leave you feeling tense or exhausted? That's information, not weakness. You can also gently ask yourself, is this mine to carry? Because not every emotion you encounter belongs to you. Sometimes it's just noise. Even small boundary statements like, I am prioritizing my well-being right now, can make a real difference. This isn't rejection, it's self-regulation. Another key part of protecting your energy is the way you speak to yourself. Research on emotional regulation shows that your inner dialogue has a powerful effect on how safe or threatened your nerve system feels. When your self-talk is harsh, alarmed, or critical, your brain interprets it as danger and activates stress responses. But when your inner voice is calm, supportive, and grounding, your system settles. Instead of saying, I should be better at this, you might try, I'm learning, I'm safe, I can handle this. This isn't about denying challenges. It's about reducing unnecessary internal pressure so your energy isn't constantly being drained by self-criticism. Your external environment matters too. Psychology shows that we are deeply influenced by the emotional tone of the people and spaces around us. Other people's stress, negativity, or constant urgency can quietly affect your own nervous system. This means being intentional about where you spend your time, how much exposure you have to social media or news, and whether your environment allows your system to rest. Protecting your energy doesn't mean avoiding life. It means creating moments of regulation, small pauses, calm routines, and signals of safety that help your nerve system recover. This could be stepping outside, taking short breaks, breathing slowly, or creating quiet moments in your day. These aren't indulgences, they are protective habits. Habits play a big role here. Psychology shows that small, consistent habits are far more effective than dramatic changes. Habits that support nerve system regulation help build resilience and emotional stability over time. Things like resting without guilt, saying no when you mean it, spending time in nature, or giving yourself permission to slow down all send your nervous system an important message. I am safe. I am supported. One of the biggest drains on energy is undermining your own self-worth. When your inner world is full of comparison, pressure, or self-judgment, your energy has nowhere to recover. Protecting your energy also means protecting your self-worth, reducing negative self-talk, valuing your needs, and relating to yourself with compassion rather than criticism. When your inner environment becomes supportive, your emotional energy naturally strengthens. If you have noticed that stress, negativity, or self-criticism drain more quickly than you would like, I have created a free guided self-esteem audio designed to calm the nerve system, quiet internal alarm, and help you rebuild emotional safety from the inside out. You can download it using the link in the description below. And if you feel ready to go deeper, to not just manage stress, but to change the patterns beneath it, you can explore my self-esteem course with Hypnosis, the hidden secret to healthy self-esteem. This program designed to help you rewire unhelpful beliefs, soften self-criticism, and build lasting inner stability from the inside out at a pace that feels safe and supportive. Protecting your energy and mental health isn't about becoming less caring or less involved in life. It's about understanding how your mind works and giving it what it actually needs: safety, boundaries, clarity, and self-support. When those are in place, resilience grows naturally. If this video supported you, please subscribe and share it with someone who may be quietly struggling with emotional exhaustion. You are not failing, you are learning how to protect yourself in a demanding world, and that really matters.